Before the bottle reaches your shelf, the journey begins with nature's rawest elements.
Organic extracts are selected for their purity and hydrating properties.
These are combined with precise surfactants created in specialized facilities. Every batch of raw surfactant undergoes rigorous viscosity and pH testing. Once approved, the raw concentrate is secured for transport. Thousands of gallons are prepared for the main manufacturing plant. Logistics networks ensure a steady supply chain to keep production moving. Tons of raw ingredients travel across the country daily. Arriving at the processing facility, scale and precision take over.
Strict access control ensures only verified materials enter the mixing zone.
Back! Stop!
The intake bay is the heart of the factory's supply integration. Raw materials are pumped directly into the facility's holding silos.
Precision manufacturing requires a disciplined and skilled workforce.
Contamination control starts before they even step onto the floor. Strict hygiene protocols are mandatory for every operator. Welcome to the heart of the operation, the mixing hall.
As you can see, the purification status is active.
Digital systems monitor every variable in the batching process. Before ingredients are added, the vessels must be pristine. Water makes up 80% of shampoo, so purity is non-negotiable. It undergoes multi-stage filtration to remove all minerals and bacteria. Between batches, steam ensures a sterile environment.
Secondary ingredients are weighed and prepped for the mix.
Specialized compounds are pre-dissolved to ensure a smooth texture. Everything is ready. The main synthesis is about to begin.
The base surfactants are introduced first, setting the foundation.
High shear mixers blend the ingredients at over 1,000 RPM. Active ingredients are added at precise intervals to ensure potency.
Salt acts as a thickening agent, creating the familiar, rich texture.
Precise heating melts waxes and oils for perfect emulsification. At the molecular level, oil and water bind permanently. Rapid cooling locks the formula's structure in place.
Pearlizing agents give the shampoo its luxurious, glossy sheen.
Fragrance is added last when the mixture is cool to preserve its scent.
Optical sensors ensure the color matches the brand standard exactly. After hours of processing, the batch is fully homogenized. Performance metrics verify the rich lather customers expect.
Microbiological safety is paramount for personal care products.
Gravity takes over, moving the product to the holding tanks. The packaging line begins at a blistering pace of 300 units per minute.
Ionized air cleans every container without using a drop of water.
Traceability is burned in permanently for quality assurance. High-speed applicators dress the product in its final identity.
Quality control never sleeps. Random samples are pulled every hour.
Every bottle must be sealed tightly, yet easy to open. Centrifugal force ensures the formula won't separate over time. Robotic packers handle heavy lifting with tireless precision. Sealed cases are now ready for the final stay of the journey. With the lab's seal of approval, the product is released for shipping. Automated palletizers stack tons of product with geometric perfection. The load is secured to withstand thousands of miles of transport. This facility stores over 1 million bottles ready for market. Logistics teams coordinate a global distribution network.
From raw ingredients to your home, the cycle is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce shampoo from start to finish.